How are we doing? Okay. I'm trying to figure out what this is. Is this cough? Is it mine? No. It's the quality of the environment for everybody? Me? Someone else? Hmm. I think this goes along with, it could be with anybody that feels deficient, is what I'm feeling. When your body goes, I feel deficient. So the environment gets heavy. But I feel like this deficiency is like, I can't do anymore. But you may not be using that language, but you can feel this loss, this vibration drop. And if anybody's doing that, start doing R1S, because this is in relation to the energies that you've called out, or you've pushed out, or you used. And it's so you're having this karma effect to some degree. So R1S, and then call your energies back to you. Notice the colors. Pick yourself up off the floor is the healing tool from my website. But just sit there with grabbing R1S. Yeah. And just kind of balancing out your karma. So call your energy back to you and just hold that point and feel and feel. Oh, yeah. I remember that time that I yelled and thought, oh, just go through the list, get it down to zero, but feel, feel, feel. Just don't give excuses and reasons. That stops you from healing. I just wasn't sure what the heck I was feeling because it didn't feel physical or something. Yeah, it's a sensing. It makes itself exist, but not basically is an emotion as much as a pattern, a strategy. And you're like, but when you begin to see them and you using the tool to move the energy through, it will make more sense.